Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common Windows 10 brightness problem where the brightness controls just are not working. Don't worry, I've got a solution for you and we will walk through it step by step. Let's get started. First, head to the taskbar and right-click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. From the menu that pops up, select Device Manager, click to open it. When Device Manager loads, scroll down until you see Monitors. Click the little arrow next to it to expand that section. You'll see something like Generic PNP Monitor or your integrated monitor listed. Right-click it and check the option. If you see Enable Device, that means it's disabled. Click that to turn it back on because sometimes it gets switched off by accident. If it's already enabled, let's update the driver. Right-click the monitor again, choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest version online. If it says the best drivers are already installed, don't stop there. We've got more to try. Close that window and move down to Display Adapters in Device Manager. Expand it by clicking the arrow here where you'll see your graphics adapters like Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA depending on your PC. Right-click your graphics adapter and hit Update Driver again. This time choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then pick Let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. You'll see a list of drivers your system has with different versions that might work. Select one, click Next, and let it install. It will take a few seconds to finish. Watch the progress as it updates. Once it's done, close the window. If the brightness still is not working, go back, pick another driver from the list, and repeat the install process one by one until you find the one that fixes the issue. After installing a driver, restart your PC to make sure it kicks in. Click the Start button, hit Restart, and let it boot. Test your brightness control afterward. Slide it up and down to see if it's responding. That's it. You've updated your monitor and graphics driver to tackle this brightness glitch. Thanks for watching, friends. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and catch you in the next one.